So in this video, we are going to see how do we obtain the values of this function for the x values of -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc., etc. Okay, or in other words, the outputs by f for these inputs. Okay, so we are going to use Excel for this purpose. So here are my x values, and here we are going to write our y values. Now let's enter our x values first. So sorry about that. Okay, so here we are going in the increments of 1. We can do this if we bring this to this lower right corner where it changes to a plus sign. Press the left mouse key and drag it down, and it just fills in all these values for you. Now we are going to write the values for these inputs using this function. The outputs of these inputs by using this function. So the way we will enter this function in Excel is this. Look, this here, this is called the insert function, and here you will enter your formula. So I don't know how to enlarge this at the moment. If any of you do, let me know, please. Excuse me. So here we go. So this is the function, and as I said, we are going to use the insert function part, and then the way we will type this function is, so just by, remember this, you had order of operations, so just type it in this manner and it will accept this typical order of operations. So let me show you. For example, if I take this in here, and I'm going to take it, okay, yeah, let me just put it here. Okay, so once again, let me make sure that we have enlarged these areas. Okay, good. So see, oh, excuse me, I think, yes, so here we go, and you can see it has pasted this function over here. Now remember this, we wanted it for an input of -2. So what we can do is this, just change this to -2 in the formula bar, press enter, and you get the value for -2. Now we have to obtain the values for all these inputs individually, and we won't want to just go and plug them in one by one. It will take too long. So what we can do instead is this. Let's go down here and remember this. One sec, please. Okay, let me come over here. So what I'm going to do at this place is this. See, that's where we had put -2 in. I'm just going to put this cell, or insert this cell, A2. Remember, this is A and this is the number 2. And if I do that, it will still give me the same value. But the difference is this, now it has taken this as one value of the x variable. And in this case, if I just again bring it down to the lower right corner, drag it down, you can see it shall give us all the values or all these outputs for these particular values of the input. And if you want to make a graph of this, okay, you can just do this. That is, select them, go to insert, and go to scatter. I'll let you play with this at your own time. Okay, and then you can enlarge the graph play with it in any manner you would like. Okay, and just one more thing, that is, you can use Excel to obtain the values. Like, say you want to find the natural log of 2, so just go ahead, type in, you get natural log of 2. Say you want to find common logarithm of 2, here you go, this gives you the common logarithm of 2. And say you would like to find, say, something like, say we have log of, or sorry about that. Okay, let me just quickly type in. So say you would like to find here, okay, and if any of you know a better way of typing these in, please let me know. Say with log, say base 5, all right, of say a quantity, for instance 7. Now what does the change of base formula tell us? That we can change it to in the form of natural log, okay, or in the form, or in the form of common log, whichever one we please, but of course we have to keep them the same in the numerator or denominator, and this quotient will give us log of 7 with base 5. And if I want to find log of 7 with base 5, all I have to do is put parentheses, say put ln of 7 on the top, okay, divided by ln of 5, okay, and that gives you log of 7 with base 5. So let me know if any of this is not clear to you.